Hi guys, today I'll be taking you on the challenge lab creating a static website for the cafe. So stick around, let's do this. To start, you click on the start lab and then just wait a few minutes for your lab to be created. It took me approximately 2 minutes, but it might take longer or shorter for your lab to be created depending on your internet connection. The next step is to click on AWS and I'll be moving it to a new tab. Note: if you had already been logged in, you will need to log out, and some certain Wi-Fi connections will not allow this. You click on services and then you can pick S3 or you can simply search for it in the search bar. Click on create bucket. For bucket name, type website dash some random number. Note: your bucket name has to be globally unique. If it is not, your bucket will not be created. Ensure the region is in US East 1. Select ACLs enabled and uncheck block all public access. Ensure all the boxes here are unchecked, but make sure you check this one. Leave the default settings and click create bucket. Click on the bucket you just created. Click on properties. Under tags, click on edit and add the tag department and marketing and then save changes. You'll also want to scroll down to the bottom where you'll find static website hosting and select edit. Click on enable. Under index document, type index.html. Under error document, type error.html and save changes. Then scroll down to static website hosting again and click on the bucket website endpoint, which is the link here. We will see 403 forbidden, which means we do not have enough permissions to view the website. Go back to the console, click on Object and Upload. Then go to your browser and search for Proxy GitHub. I'll drop the link in the description so you just copy and paste. Download the files. It will get downloaded as a zip folder, so you will have to extract it. After extraction, highlight and drag and drop it into the S3 bucket. We do not need the README file, so we'll just remove it. Click on Upload. I got the files from clicking on Files. Click on the plus button beside Resource, ANSLB, Public, and Script. Then click on each of them and download it. This way, you have to unzip each of them and enter several directories before you can drag and drop. This is an alternative to getting it from GitHub. If you've already gotten it from GitHub, no need to do this. So unzip your files and upload them. It is important to note your index.html file should be in your root directory. That is, when you open your bucket, it should be one of the first files you see. Do not place it in a folder. For this lab, all your files, your index.html, your style.css, and your script.js should be in the same directory in your bucket. Check the boxes of all the files you just uploaded. Click on Actions, Make Public using ACL. Click on Make Public, and then go back to your website. For the final task, open your index.html file on your local directory. I have a code editor called VS Code, or you can use anyone you like or anyone you have. Press Ctrl F and type serv. Replace saved from S3 to created by your actual name. In this case, I'm putting Proxy. Then save your work, re-upload it, and make it publicly accessible again. Go back to your bucket endpoint link and refresh the page. You should see the changes you just made. Click on Submit and Grades and wait for your grades to reflect.